Your body's amazing food processing factory, a journey through the digestive system. Ever wondered what happens to that food you just ate? Buckle up for an incredible journey through one of the most sophisticated processing plants ever created, your digestive system. From chopping and grinding to mixing and extracting, this biological factory operates 24/7 to keep you energized and healthy. The grand entrance, your mouth as a high-tech food prep station. Those teeth aren't just for smiling. They're specialized tools that would make any chef jealous. Your incisors slice, canines tear, and molars grind like miniature millstones. Meanwhile, your tongue, the quality control expert, tastes everything while moving food around like a skilled conveyor belt operator. But here's where the real magic begins. Your salivary glands release approximately 1.5 liters of saliva daily, enough to fill a large water bottle. This special sauce contains enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates before the food even leaves your mouth. Who knew you were such an efficient multitasker? The express elevator, your esophagus. After swallowing, food enters the esophagus, nature's equivalent of a high-speed elevator. This muscular tube doesn't just let food drop, it performs a synchronized wave-like movement called peristalsis, literally squeezing food down to your stomach. It's like a biological version of those pneumatic tubes at bank drive-thrus, but way cooler. The master chef, your stomach. Welcome to the stomach, the Gordon Ramsay of your digestive system. This J-shaped organ is where the real heavy lifting happens. Its muscular walls churn and mix food with potent gastric juices, creating a soupy mixture called chyme. The stomach's acid is so strong it could dissolve metal. Thankfully, your stomach protects itself with a thick layer of mucus. Talk about having a strong constitution. The processing plant, your small intestine, Daiki. If your stomach is the chef, your small intestine is the master extractor. Stretching about 20 feet long, that's the height of a giraffe, this twisted tube is where most nutrient absorption happens. Tiny finger-like projections called villi increase the surface area to that of a tennis court, all packed into your abdomen. Here, nutrients are sorted and shipped directly into your bloodstream like packages at an Amazon fulfillment center. The recycling center, your large intestine. The large intestine is like the eco-friendly department of your digestive system. It recycles water, hosts trillions of helpful bacteria, your gut microbiome, and packages waste products for disposal. These beneficial bacteria are like tiny factory workers, helping break down remaining nutrients and producing essential vitamins. They're the unsung heroes of your digestive workforce. The quality control team, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. No factory runs without support staff. The liver acts as both security guard and processing plant, filtering toxins and producing bile. The gallbladder stores this bile like a warehouse, releasing it when fatty foods need processing. Meanwhile, the pancreas serves as the chemical plant, producing crucial digestive enzymes and hormones that regulate blood sugar. The bottom line. From start to finish, it takes about 24 to 72 hours for food to complete its journey through your digestive system. This remarkable assembly line processes around 50 tons of food during an average lifetime. That's equivalent to the weight of 7 adult elephants. Next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible journey it's about to undertake through your personal food processing factory. Your digestive system might not have won any engineering awards, but it's arguably one of the most efficient and sophisticated processing plants ever created. Follow me for more entertaining discussion about your digestive system.